I'm 1 block away from my house at the intersection of Union and Oak Street, and this is sort of where the tornado damage started yesterday. You can see piles of brush here along the curb. Behind me there's a truck picking up a bunch of debris from downed trees. So it kind of looks like it blew right past our house and just started to form right over here 1 block away. I'm 1 block further west. I'm on Marquette Street at Saks Avenue, Saks. And you can see there's a big piece of a tall tree laying across the roof of a house straight in front of me. This is a direct line across Rieger Park to this location. And again, behind me, down the block here towards East Washington Avenue, there's piles of debris that people have pulled out to curbs already. Close to the East Washington end of Milwaukee Street, you can see a big chunk of this tree has fallen. There's some of it on the curb to the left and a whole bunch of it along the house here. On the other side of the street, there's all kinds of evidence of debris piled up. I have turned off of Marquette. I'm on Darbo. That's East Washington Avenue in the background and the pedestrian overpass. You can see that tree's been pretty damaged. There's kind of debris scattered along the curb here. The parking lot back there's got a whole bunch of downed debris in it. I'm here at, I don't think you can see the sign on that building, it's the Salvation Army Corps Community Center on Darbo. The building in the background, straight in the center of the screen, it used to be the American Family Building. It's a government building now, and there are people working on trees that are down up against the building there. So again, it's a straight line headed right up to East Washington Avenue from here. So I got off my bike in the Salvation Army parking lot and walked a bit towards East Washington Avenue. So here's an entire tree that's been torn out of the ground. Here's another one that's basically been, oh, can't really see it, it's in the shadow, basically been ripped right out of the ground. And coming around here, we're behind that old AmFam building. There's another tree torn right out of the ground. You can see that almost every tree in this field has debris underneath it. And I don't know if I can zoom in here with any kind of quality, but you can see that that's the tree that's down up alongside the building. Pretty good size. Moving on. I have just crossed the Highway 30 bridge on East Washington Avenue. Just to the left of that truck in the distance you can see that former American Family Building, now Department of Corrections. So I've come to the front of that and I'm following along East Washington a little bit. You can see this tree has been completely uprooted, others are snapped off. You don't really see it in the median because it's cleared up already, but there's a whole bunch of broken off stumps where trees were just ripped out of the ground. A little further ahead is that car wash. It's all taped off. I haven't been up there yet to see what the damage is. But panning around here, I'm in that first block past the Highway 30 bridge. And this building, shooting into the sun so it's hard to tell, but that building has been very badly damaged. Whatever the side structure was there is either down or it tore the roof off. It's all taped off. Alright, I'm going to move along. Looks like the tornado sort of bounced back and forth up East Washington Avenue from here. My nephew and his partner and daughter live about 2 blocks straight ahead of me here. Pretty scary.